what is up? Today I'm making a project, and I don't have any projects here, but on my other account I do have very good projects. Actually, I'll just show you one of them right now. Let's go back to Scratch and look at them. So yeah, Unreal Overlord, because that was my account name, and it was actually really bad. So yeah, Fish Slapper. I'm just gonna show my best one, which I don't know. Most of these look really good. I'm just gonna do close combat because it's my first AI. So, and AIs are good. Why can't I heart this? That's sad. Oh, okay. So yeah, I made an actual AI in this. It's my first AI. So I'm pretty sure you do 1, 2, like 3, and to slap people. Oh, you have to press space to start. Okay. Wait, so now I can like press this to headbutt. Okay, wait, headbutt. No, headbutt. No, what one's headbutt? 3? Okay. Gotta headbutt him. Okay, my health is already at 75%. You can't kill me.
You gotta kick him.
Wait, what one did the most? Do you remember?
I think it was like 1.
Oh, yeah, it's the kick. I think that does like 20. No. Oh, wait, no, that's the knee. Oh, yeah, it does 20. Ah, I missed him. No. I only need 10. Okay, I won. Woo! Let's go.
Yeah.
I won. So here's the winner. That's me, the winner, and no one cares. So for this game, since it's really random, I'm gonna name this random. Wait, I spelled that right. Wrong. Okay, random 1. Okay, I'm gonna kill Scratch. Bye. I deleted you off the world. Okay, I'm just gonna make this a shooting game. Sounds great. A shooting game. Okay. That's so dumb. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna go download everything I need off the internet right now. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. Just gonna make the target. So the first thing that I need is probably the gun person. So I'm just gonna download that right now. Oh, actually a little big. Wait, I'm just gonna shrink that real fast. Ooh, that's lagging. Jeez. Do you think that's a reasonable size?
Yeah, I guess so.
You know, I'm just gonna put that in the corner. That's a great spot. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna make it so it goes there. I'm just gonna make that negative 100. See if that looks better. Oh wait, no. Negative 105. That looks better. Okay. And then wait, I'm just gonna make this 150. Oops, it didn't do anything. 150. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now, okay, then no, forever. Wait, I'm just gonna be back when I decide what to do. All I have to do is, well, not that I found out. I mean, I decide what to do. So I decided to do that, and then make that, except change it to mouse X, so that whenever you move your mouse, this guy moves with you. He's like bang, bang, bang. So yeah, it's kind of good, and it's good. It's pretty good. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah.
Yeah.
So wait, before we do that, I just want to make a username. So I'm just gonna show you how to make a username if you don't know how to do that. So when you click the green flag, I want a username. So ask. Wait, where's the username one? Pretty sure there's one for your username. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay. What do you want your username to be? Okay, so not tech. When you do that, I ask what do you want your username to be, and then you type in like press start or something. No, I'm just gonna do press, and then like it says hi, press start, and then say no wait, actually no, I have to say it needs to be two things. So say hello, and then no, we don't want it to be forever. Sorry. Say for 1 second hello, and then duplicate that, and then do answer. And then I'm actually gonna make that go up there. So then when you go like this, it's just like I want my username to be press 0 start, and then you just go, and it says press 0 start, and then hello, press 0 start, and then yeah, that's your username. And then I don't want that to show actually. I'm gonna make one of these. So you go data, make variable, and look up. I mean not look up. Write username. Oops, that, and then okay, and then move it up here, and then where is it? Oops, this has to go up here. Say answer for 1 second, and then also change by. No, I did that wrong. You have to set username to answer, and then you're good. So I just want it to be like K. Oops, I go into here. Okay, K, and then it says hello K, and then it does that. I'm actually gonna move that up a little bit. Put it there. So I have to wait a second. So it's like there, and then that's your name. It's great. It's great, right? And then yeah, and when you press the flag, set username to spacebar. Yeah, that's great. It's great. So just go like that. Yeah, that's actually okay. I'm just gonna keep that. So now we're gonna make the like it's called the crosshair. So make new sprite, and then go. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this over here for a second. So for the crosshair, wait. Actually no, I'm gonna keep it this. So vector is like not made out of pixels, and then bitmap is like little pixel dudes. So yeah, I'm just gonna make the crosshair right now. Paintbrush. I like making things straight. Wait, I need to make this bigger. It's too big. Perfect. Come on. I'm just gonna say that's good. Nope. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the line. That's perfect. And then I'm just gonna go like this. Control C, Control V. And I'm just gonna put it right on it, right there. And move it up a little bit. And then just do that. That looks horrible. Wait. Wait, what? No. Wait, I'm just gonna redo that. Clear. I'm just gonna use the rectangle. Oops. Gotta clear that. Gotta make my rectangle filled in. Gotta go like that. And then Control CV. Exactly. Sorry, I had to look really close. And then oops. I did not mean to do that. No! I'm messing up so bad right now. Back in this little corner thing right here. And then that makes it perfect. But now I'm just going to center it. I need to move this again. I did not center it yet. Okay, I just gotta put it right in the center there. That's good. And now I'm just going to select all of it like this. And I'm kind of going to shrink it. And then I should probably center it again. Yeah, that's good. I'm just gonna move that a little bit. Okay, that was a little crazy. Okay, put that there. Okay, now that's good. Okay, now that's in the middle. Now I can move this here. Okay, and then when I set this, I can go like that. And then forever looks show and no, not show. Go to mouse pointer, but also I'm gonna do wait 2 seconds. No, I'm gonna do wait 1 second before that. So like it's like this, and then it'll go to you. So you actually have time to go here and press that, just in case you need it. And then yeah. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the episode this time. And so if you liked this, you should probably like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and maybe make this. Like, if you can go along and go to Scratch and like go along with the video, you can make like this game yourself. And I'm gonna make a number 2 for this, obviously, because I'm not done with it. I'm gonna make a number 2, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.